Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best disinfectant machine is probably one of the most essential tools for maintaining a clean and healthy environment in your home or office, especially in today's world where hygiene is paramount. This innovative device utilizes advanced technology to eliminate harmful germs, bacteria, and viruses from surfaces and the air, offering peace of mind and a safer living space for you and your loved ones. From tackling everyday messes to ensuring a thorough sanitization after illness, a reliable disinfectant machine can be a game changer in your fight against microscopic threats. Number 5. Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner 17-piece Kit. Experience the power of steam. This cleaner uses superheated steam to lift dirt and grime from virtually any surface. Clean, sanitize, and refresh your home naturally, using just water. With 17 versatile accessories, this kit is designed for whole home cleaning. Tackle everything from grout and tile to car interiors and upholstery with ease. Its lightweight and sleek design makes it easy to maneuver. Clean effortlessly in tight spaces, corners, and hard-to-reach areas without any strain. Enjoy up to 50 minutes of continuous steam on a single fill. This allows for extended deep cleaning sessions without the interruption of frequent refills. The long hose and extension tubes give you incredible reach. Clean floors, walls, and car interiors without bending or moving the unit constantly. Achieve a cleaner home naturally. This chemical-free method is perfect for households with children and pets, effectively removing stains and sanitizing surfaces. Rest assured, it effectively sanitizes your home. Laboratory tests show it kills up to 99.9% of common bacteria and viruses, ensuring a healthier environment. What we like. This machine offers powerful, chemical-free cleaning for a variety of surfaces. If you're looking for a natural way to deep clean your home, especially if you have kids or pets, this is a great choice. It tackles dirt, grease, and grime effectively without harsh chemicals. What people say. Dupray steamer gets to 275F and there's another product they have that reaches 320F. Because of this, I gained some confidence that this is the one tool that would provide me with the upper hand at combating the fleas. Being slightly physically disabled, deep cleaning is already a hassle, but this makes it so much easier with the extension arms. The amount of steam, and the dryness, has been fine for what I've used it for, and when you pause to allow it to reheat, which isn't really necessary, I just do it when I move the unit, it generally is ready again in less than a minute. Number 4. Papablic Baby Bottle Sterilizer and Dryer Pro. Meet the ultimate solution for keeping your baby's essentials clean and safe. This device offers powerful sterilization and efficient drying. Say goodbye to worries about germs. It effectively eliminates 99.9% of harmful bacteria using safe steam technology. Not only does it sterilize, but it also dries your items quickly. This ensures they are ready for use whenever you need them. With its generous capacity, you can sterilize and dry up to 10 bottles at once. It's perfect for busy parents. It's designed to handle more than just bottles. Pacifiers and pump parts can also be thoroughly cleaned and dried. Designed with your baby's health in mind, it provides a safe and reliable way to maintain hygiene. Trust in its performance. What we like. This device is designed to sterilize and dry baby bottles and other essentials. If you have a baby and need a convenient way to ensure their feeding items are hygienic, this is ideal. It handles a large capacity, making it perfect for busy parents. What people say. The steam stayed contained and the distribution was even, so I never felt at risk of burns while using it. The process is simple. I placed the bottles inside and let the machine handle the full cycle, which saved time during daily use. The large capacity made it easy to sanitize several bottles at once and everything came out clean and dry. This sterilizer works perfectly and makes daily bottle cleaning so much easier. It has a large capacity. I can fit multiple bottles, pacifiers, and pump parts all at once. The steam sterilization is quick, and the drying function leaves everything completely dry and ready to use. The auto shut-off feature provides extra safety. The electric steam sterilization is fast and effective. It only takes about 8 to 10 minutes to complete a full cycle. The dryer function is also incredibly convenient and helps ensure everything is completely dry before storage. The capacity is generous. I can fit multiple bottles, nipples, pacifiers, and pump parts all at once. Number 3. Clorox Turbo Power Sprayer. Introducing the Clorox Turbo Power Sprayer, designed to get your entire space Clorox clean in minutes. It's engineered for high-touch areas where quick and efficient disinfectant application is essential. Experience a precision mist that applies an even layer of disinfectant cleaner to surfaces. With easy-to-adjust spray settings, you can seamlessly switch between small or large jobs. Simplify your cleaning routine. When used with the Clorox Turbo Disinfectant Cleaner, all you need to do is spray, no wiping is required. This powerful tool works with our bleach-free disinfectant cleaner to kill 99.9% of germs, viruses, and bacteria. It's an effective solution for a healthier environment. Its versatility makes it ideal for a wide array of spaces. Use it in kitchens, gyms, cars, beauty salons, bathrooms, clinics, offices, and more. What we like. This power sprayer allows for quick disinfection of large areas. If you need to sanitize high-touch surfaces rapidly and efficiently, this is your go-to. It applies an even layer of disinfectant with its precision mist, and best of all, no wiping is required when used with the specific cleaner. What people say. This Clorox sprayer works really well to produce a fine mist that's perfect for cleaning and disinfecting. The mist covers everything without soaking what you're spraying, which makes it perfect for overall general use where you do not have to worry about excess moisture causing damage. The Clorox Pro Turbo handheld power sprayer has become my secret weapon for integrated pest management, IPM, and plant sorting. Its powerful atomizing action ensures thorough coverage while minimizing water usage, making it perfect for keeping my plants healthy and pest-free. Works very well. I love this thing. I use spray deodorizer and it spray my furniture, carpets and vehicles because my hands don't work so well. Perfect amount of mist. Number 2. Victory Innovations VP300ES Cordless Electrostatic Sprayer. Introducing a breakthrough in cleaning technology. Our patented electrostatic charge ensures even and far-reaching coverage, wrapping around surfaces for a complete clean. Reach every corner with ease. This device provides 360-degree wrapping, ensuring that even the most difficult-to-access areas are thoroughly disinfected. Tackle large spaces without interruption. Its large tank capacity allows you to disinfect up to 23,000 square feet on a single fill. Experience true portability with its cordless design. The long-lasting, rechargeable battery ensures you can work freely for extended periods. Achieve the perfect application every time. The adjustable 3-in-1 nozzle, made from corrosion-resistant stainless steel, lets you customize droplet size for optimal chemical dwell time. We stand by our product's quality. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year limited warranty covering defects in materials or workmanship. What we like. This sprayer utilizes patented electrostatic technology for superior chemical coverage. If you need to disinfect large spaces quickly and effectively, especially hard-to-reach areas, this is an excellent option. Its cordless and portable design makes it highly versatile for various professional settings. What people say. Works very well and is easy to use. 3 settings for stream pattern is a great feature. Rechargeable battery is so much better than being tethered to the wall by a cord. Battery lasts a good long time. This thing is built like a rock and does an amazing job spraying my sanitizer onto the turf and completely coating the blades. Number 1. New Aqua 3-stage whole house water filter system. Enjoy delicious water from every tap, softer skin and hair, and the confidence that your daily water is safe. This system effectively removes impurities like chlorine, odors, and sediment. Safeguard your valuable appliances, such as your washing machine and refrigerator, by installing this whole house filter. It offers long-lasting filtration and cost-effective replacements, making it a smart investment. Built with premium components, this system is designed for your peace of mind. You won't experience frustrating low water pressure, as it ensures no loss during filtration. Ideal for homes, restaurants, and businesses, each stage purifies your water. It provides clean, safe, and odor-free water for all your needs. Rest assured with our industry-leading 3-year manufacturer warranty and lifetime support. We stand by our product, offering the best support and a satisfaction guarantee. What we like. This system provides clean water at every source in your home. If you're concerned about the quality of your tap water, want to protect your appliances, or desire cleaner skin and hair, this is a worthwhile investment. It ensures great tasting water without compromising water pressure. What people say. The Disinfectant Machine is very effective in killing germs and bacteria, providing a safe environment for my family. I appreciate the compact and lightweight design of the disinfectant machine, making it easy to carry and use in different rooms. The machine features a powerful UVC light that effectively sterilizes surfaces and eliminates odors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.